In a major development for the Trinamool, at least 500 voters have joined the party today in Tripura. Addressing the press in this regard, West Bengal Law Minister Molay Ghatak said that they had planned for joining program in Sonamura today, but as observed that due to COVID restrictions, wherever 50 or 100 persons gathering are going on, police are taking legal actions. So the Trinamool decided to call upon only the leaders in Agartala for the joining program. More than 500 voters from BJP and Congress joined the Trinamool Congress today.
আমাদেরকে ডাকা হয়েছিল সোনামুড়াতে, সেখানে বিভিন্ন নেতৃবৃন্দের সঙ্গে প্রায় 500 কর্মী সেখানে যোগদান করার কথা ছিল, কিন্তু যেখানেই 50 জন 100 জনের বেশি লোক হচ্ছে সেখানে পুলিশ মিথ্যাভাবে নানা রকমভাবে কেসে জড়িয়ে দেওয়া হচ্ছে। যার জন্য আমরা সিদ্ধান্ত নিয়েছিলাম যে নেতৃবৃন্দকে খালি ডেকে আজকে আমরা তাদের হাতে জাতীয় আমাদের পার্টির যে দলীয় পতাকা সেই পতাকা তুলে দেব।
How to take advantage of a situation and mold it in own way for achieving political interest that the Trinamool has aptly shown in Tripura. Since the detention of Prashant Kishore's IPAC team, the Trinamool has suddenly entered Tripura's politics and are now in firm intention keeping in mind the 2023 Assembly election. Notably, Trinamool has no state unit at present. There is no party infrastructure built yet. But in few weeks itself, the common people being disgusted with the BJP's misrule are bending towards the Trinamool. Several leaders of the Congress have left the party and joined hands with the Trinamool Congress that came into the state politics just a few weeks back. The remaining fewer number of leaders and supporters in Tripura Pradesh Congress have also left the party and rest are in queue to join the Trinamool soon. This is only because of poor leadership in Pradesh Congress. Being a national political party only because of lacking an able leadership and strong organizational base, those who were supposed to join the Congress are now joining the Trinamool. Not only that, the till-date Congress leaders and supporters are also leaving the party, losing faith in the leadership of acting PCC President Piyush Bishwas. Under the weak and feeble leadership of acting PCC President Piyush Bishwas, Pradesh Congress has turned to only signboard in Tripura. Resented and frustrated with the no-role mode and groupism and favoritism policies of acting PCC President, who has been running the Pradesh Congress as his own property and never gave any importance to the other leaders and members of the Pradesh Congress. A good number of Congress leaders left the party and joined hands with the Trinamool Congress only by being demoralized and disheartened with the weak leadership of acting PCC President Piyush Kanti Bishwas. At least for minimum 15 times in 10 press conferences, acting PCC President has threatened to go to the High Court, Supreme Court for assault of Congress workers, rescue Congress buildings from the BJP, but in reality he went to the High Court to save CPIM Badal Chaudhary from corruption case. He went to High Court to save BJP co-MLA Dhananjay Tripura from a rape case. He went to the District Court to save the Trinamool hired Prashant Kishore's IPAC team. The keen Congress supporters allege that, in fact, acting PCC President Piyush Bishwas' words and Modi's jumla are almost the same. The dedicated Congress supporters who still want the Pradesh Congress to become a strong organization allege that only because of Piyush Bishwas the party is degrading day by day, and if this continues, in no time the Pradesh Congress will have no existence in the state. Despite of building up a strong organization or building up movement against the misrule of the ruling BJP, the acting PCC President Piyush Bishwas is busy in removing party members only to satisfy his groupism and favoritism policies. Amid a notification issued by Piyush Bishwas, he expelled Ratan Pal from the post of President of 48 Karamchara Block Congress Committee and also expelled him from the primary membership of Congress for 6 years with immediate effect. Moreover, he also expelled Deepak Devnath, General Secretary of Kailashahar District Congress Committee, Rahim Mia, Working President of 49 Chamonu Block Congress Committee, Vidya Mohan Chakma, General Secretary of 49 Chamonu Block Congress Committee from the primary membership of Congress for 6 years. When a party Trinamool that had no previous existence in Tripura is able to drag supporters towards it only because of lack of strong leadership, the Pradesh Congress is ruining day by day. Bureau Report, Halabor.